In a world where we've made significant strides in technology, science, and social justice, it's shocking to know that nearly 260 million children worldwide are out of school. This isn't just a number, it's a glaring reflection of the state of education equality today. Imagine the potential these children hold, potentials that may never be realized due to the lack of access to quality education. It's not just about attending school, it's about what they learn, how they learn, and the environment in which they learn. The inequality in education is not just a gap, it's a chasm that needs bridging. The roots of this disparity are deep, often tangled in socioeconomic, political, and cultural factors. Poverty plays a significant role. Many families struggling to make ends meet prioritize immediate survival over education. In some regions, cultural norms and gender biases impose barriers, preventing girls from receiving the same education as boys. The effects of unequal education are far-reaching and cyclical. Individuals who lack quality education often find themselves trapped in a cycle of poverty. They're less likely to secure well-paying jobs, which in turn affects their ability to provide quality education for their own children, and the cycle continues. On a larger scale, unequal education hampers economic growth and exacerbates social inequality. It fosters a society where only a privileged few can access opportunities while the majority are left behind, creating a rift that's hard to mend. A society that values and promotes equal education is not just an ideal, it's a necessity. It's the key to unlocking potentials, breaking the cycle of poverty, and fostering sustainable growth. It breeds a generation of informed citizens capable of making well-rounded decisions for themselves, their communities, and the world. So where do we go from here? The path to equal education is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires a multifaceted approach, taking into account the unique challenges each region, community, or individual face. Governments, nonprofit organizations, and individuals alike have a role to play. By investing in quality education, we're investing in the future. It's about providing resources, yes, but it's also about fostering an environment that values learning, that encourages curiosity, and that breaks down barriers preventing children from reaching their full potential. For those of us who are privileged enough to access and afford quality education, it's a call to action. We must recognize and utilize our privilege to advocate for equal education. Whether it's through monetary donations, volunteering, or using our voices to raise awareness, each effort counts. The journey to equal education is long and challenging, but the destination is worth every step. It's a world where every child, regardless of their background, has the chance to learn, to grow, and to realize their potential. It's a world where education is not a privilege, but a right. Remember, education equality isn't just about bridging a gap, it's about building a bridge to a more sustainable, inclusive, and prosperous world. Let's start building that bridge today.